So foldable phones. In 2019, we're going to see foldable phones. I was excited about it. I was really excited about it. But I got some reservation. Is it even practical for a foldable phone? I mean, we start to see a lot of foldable phones coming out in 2019. A lot of concepts been broadcast out there on the internet. Let me give you my thoughts on foldable phones in this video. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So foldable phones is coming. I mean, we've been seeing a lot of concepts. I mean, even at CES, FlexPi showed off their foldable phone. But is it practical? I mean, we got a lot of companies coming out with foldable phones. LG, Huawei, Samsung, all these companies coming out with foldable phones. So is it practical? Man, I'm excited about it because I love new technology. I love new innovation. But I'm thinking about this. Is it even practical? Is it even ready? I mean, you think about it. So what's a foldable phone? And is it practical? I mean, you're going to have a phone that's going to fold out to a mini tablet. I mean, we've been hearing rumors that a 4-inch phone is going to fold out to 7-inch tablets, or you hear rumors of 5.8 or maybe other size phones that's going to fold out into tablets. Now, is it practical? Is it practical? In 2019, it's coming. So we have to have this discussion on, listen, is it practical? Is the software ready? Is the price point ready for us average consumers and techies? You know, us techies, we always thrill about new innovation and stuff like that. The foldable phone that's fold is going to be an average size phone. Some saying 4 inches, 4.5 inches, maybe a 5-inch phone, and then fold out to a tablet, right? We saw the renders and stuff like that. Samsung have showed off their foldable phone. I mean, we saw the FlexPi at CES. I mean, it came out. I mean, the software was really buggy. I mean, they put a lot of power in it, but the software wasn't ready. The design, especially the front of the design, it's not practical. It didn't look that good. And also we saw some renders of another CEO that was showing off his foldable phone that fold backwards, right? I mean, you fold one side here and cup the other side there. But is it practical? I mean, let's talk about the software for a second. What is it about a tablet that we need, right? Think about it. We need a tablet to get work done. Right? Somebody send you some Word documents or something like that. You want to see a photo on the larger canvas. You fold it out and you can look at it, try to get some work done. The 7-inch tablet to me is too small. It may work for some people. And look, I see things on both sides. I see that, okay, a 7-inch tablet is something real fast to get work done and fold it up, then you can make phone calls, doing text and stuff like that. But don't we already have 6.5-inch, 7-inch phones right now that can give you a bigger canvas? You could do everything with that phone, turn it sideways, connect the Bluetooth keyboard and mouse and get work done. You can use the Galaxy Note 9, connect it to DeX, and boom, you can get work done. You can pull out the S Pen, jot down what you need to jot down. They got Pen, S Pen software. You can get work done. So the practicality of a foldable phone in the business realm, I don't know about that. Is the software ready? Also, let's talk about the price. I mean, let's talk about it. I mean, you could get an iPad today, the 6th generation iPad, for $330. Cheap. You could get old tablets that was made back in the day for $100, $150, $200. That's gonna run pretty decent. I mean, we haven't saw Android tablets in a while. But the price, we're talking about, you know, $1,100 to $2,000 price points that's floating out there for these foldable phones. Listen, we already passed the $1,000 price point on phones as it is. And now they're going to capitalize by giving us a foldable phone that's going to be upper tiers of almost $2,000. I mean, is it practical? Are you going to use it as a tablet? Android tablet sales is gone, right? Android tablet sales are gone. The foldable phones are coming out. We start to see a shift in technology, and I'm excited about it. I mean, 2018, it was the year of the notch, right? In 2019, it's the year of foldable phones. And I believe that it's going to be beta testers in 2019. The software is going to be buggy. I don't know if it's going to be right. From what I've seen from the FlexPi and other concepts and stuff that I've been hearing on the internet, that the software is not ready, but they're going to push it out anyway. Are we ready to make that huge investment for foldable phones in 2019? 4-inch device that folds out to a 7-inch phone or 7-inch tablet. Are we ready for it? Let's get the discussion started. Leave your comments down below. Let's talk about it. Let's have a discussion. Is it practical? I mean, is the software ready? The price is going to be extremely high. I mean, we're hearing the rumor that they are coming. Got to embrace for the foldable phone era in 2019. Let's talk about it. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the foldable phones in 2019. See you guys on the next video. Peace.